Now in this lesson, let us try to learn about mirror command. Mirror command is located in the modify panel of our ribbon. You can see here you have got the mirror command. Now on my screen you can see I have got a drawing over here. This drawing appears to be symmetrical on the midpoint. Let me just draw a line in the midpoint. See here, I will just draw a line here. Okay, when I draw a line here, you can see this, the left side and right side, they are identical. So if I draw only half of this drawing, I can mirror it. So by doing mirror, 50% of our time will be reduced. 50% of our time will be reduced in this mirror command. Okay. So now what I will do now, for mirror command, I need two things. I need the entities which have to be mirrored. This is number one. And number two is an axis on which you need to mirror it. So what I will do is I will just draw an axis. On the right side you can see I have the entities, half of it is present here. So what I will do, I will just draw a line over here. See, I will just draw a line from this point. I'll just draw a line like this. Let me pull this line down. These are called as grips. I will tell you after a few minutes. We will have another video in that you will know what is grips and how to use the grips. Okay, so I have a line. So now what I will do, I will just go and launch my mirror command. See here, I will launch my mirror command. I will select mirror. It is telling in the bottom in the command line, select objects. I will do group selection or window selection. Click here, just go like this. Everything is selected. Do I have any other objects to be selected? No, just press enter. Now it is asking me first point of mirror line. I will just go and select first point. And already you see here, if I remove this ortho, you see here, I can just move like this. See here, I can move. Okay, I will come and select my second point. Understand? Done. And then do you want to delete the first object? No, I don't want to delete it. Okay, just press enter. Now see here, it is completely mirrored and my new object is ready. Now I can simply delete this and remove the center line, mirror line. Okay, I will undo it. Now see, one more mirror. So I can do the whole thing and I can create a mirror here. Let me zoom out and let me create a mirror line. A mirror line can be anywhere. Let us say I want to let me put a mirror line over here. Now I can mirror these two items on this side. Okay, now what I will do, I will go and launch mirror command. Now select objects. I will just go and do group selection like this. Enter. So which is my first point of mirror line? This is my first point of mirror line. So this second point of mirror line. Just see, exactly like looking in a mirror. The one who is standing in the front will be seen first in the mirror. The one who is standing at the back will be seen at the back. Okay, it is exactly the mirror image. So we did mirror image. So by this command you can save 50% of the time. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video.